Hi everyone, I'm going to continue my lessons on Winlink, and I'm going to start off with doing some of the most basic things like just typing and sending a message, and then I'm going to move on to some of the more fun or advanced things that you can do with it. So these will probably be a lot of short videos, and just to make sure everything works, I'm just going to use the telnet session. That way I know it'll work. As opposed to trying to do an HF or VHF or something along those lines. So first thing is Winlink is open. One of the things that I would do, and I'm not sure if it's in message settings, so we're going to look for it first. Let's see. So yes, in your preferences, I would check this default to requesting message receipts, and then also the automatically send message receipts when requested. That way, you know they got it. What it does is, if you've noticed, I get these ACK messages, ACK messages. That's the return receipt. It's just a way for you to verify they got your message. It works perfectly inside of the Winlink system. Outside of it, if you send it to a regular email address, at the very bottom of the email, it'll have in square brackets something like message request receipt or message receipt requested. But the programs like Outlook, Outlook Express, Windows Mail, Evolution, Thunderbird, Apple Mail, whatever, they do not honor it, and they don't actually send one back for you. You would have to manually reply. So, you can set this number to whatever. I think it's 72 by default. That's a good number to have. 80 is a typical small screen. So, let's see. You can, most of these should be checked by default. So, starting off, bare basic message. So you come up here, you go, new message. I'm going to send it to, and then okay, so do your message, and then you just click on Post Outbox, and it's posted. So then you open your session, you start, and there it is. It's gone. Then you can close your session. So that is setting a basic message in Winlink.